I'm so thankful to see all of you in here. Every time I do a show, I still can't believe that years later, after I performed at Hershey Park, no, I'm not talking about the stadium. I'm talking about the little theater that only 100 people showed up to. I remember my mom and dad were going around passing out flyers, and I think like 150 people showed up total, which was amazing. But now I look out in the audience and I see all of you guys and it blows my mind. I'm so thankful for all of you. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. I hope you guys don't mind. Love you too. Sleep tonight.